Welcome to RFC Rendcomb,
home of the world-famous Aerosuperbatics Wingwalkers. We've got 4 different aeroplanes to choose from here, and today we're going to use IY.
This is an original World War I airfield, and it's also our private practice ground. We can take off and land in any direction.
That makes it so much safer.
Upon arrival, you can park adjacent to our viewing area. You'll be briefed and escorted by one of our professional wingwalkers from the Aerosuperbatics Wingwalking display team.
Outside of our beautiful officers' mess, we have an exclusive spectator area where your friends and family can sit outside and watch the action. Quite high, isn't it? Aerosuperbatics is the longest established wingwalking company in the UK, operating since 1987 and the only team. We also hold a number of wingwalking world records. All of our aircraft are housed in this hangar and they're maintained and cared for by our full-time chief engineer, Tony. We have exclusive use of this airfield, which is situated in an area of outstanding natural beauty.
On a beautiful day like today, what more could you want? It's amazing.
When I first arrived, I saw somebody up there and I thought, oh my God, I didn't know they went as high as that. I was really worried. But I did go as high as that and it was great.
I was nervous for the first time when I actually got on the top, and the lady was so calming and she really put me at ease, and then I wasn't nervous then for the rest of the flight.
The day has been excellent and the views have been great and the staff have been fantastic, you know.
The fact that they fly past a couple of times is really good, so we can wave at them and then you go off and do your loops, and your dips, your dives. Yeah, it's brilliant.
It was something I've wanted to do, it was on my bucket list, so my husband got it for my 40th birthday.
What was good about it was the height, and they didn't go too far away, so you could watch it all the time. And the smoke, obviously, when it was going off was brilliant.
You've got an old World War I aerodrome, and it's a fantastically beautiful place.
I thought it was really something, and I think next time I come, we'll definitely do the loop-the-loop.
My cheeks were...
Fantastic. Honestly, that was one of my best experiences ever.
The training was, really easy to understand. Made me feel really secure, especially up on the top of the plane, making sure I knew what I was doing. Yeah, they were lovely, really friendly and helpful, especially the pilot as well, asked them to make it as adventurous as possible, so yeah.
The noise, the smells, it was brilliant, utterly brilliant. I'm coming back, definitely.
Amazing, absolutely fantastic. It was the best thing I've ever done, and I've done a few things and that just completely and utterly blew me away.
Cheers.